Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the best in Silverado and Sierra content. Every day we're adding new videos to our YouTube channel, like our product reviews. Our reviews cover everything from helping you figure out which lift kit and tire combo size fits your truck, ways to armor up, and how to upgrade your lighting. We'll give you detailed install instructions to help you put new parts on your truck. Besides showing you what looks good on your truck, we'll also show you what sounds good. Our exhaust videos feature sound clips to let you know what exhausts sound like outside and inside your cab. We also have the latest in Silverado and Sierra news, how-to videos, and cool builds to show you what your truck is really capable of. So again, to get the very best in Silverado and Sierra content, you gotta be subscribed right here at AmericanTrucks.com.